Sutra of the Merit and Virtue of the Past Vows of Medicine Master Vaidyurya Light Tathagata. The 12th Great Vow. I vow that in a future life, when I attain Bodhi, if there are sentient beings who are poor and without clothes, so that day and night they are troubled by mosquitoes and flies, and by cold and heat, upon hearing my name and single-mindedly accepting and maintaining it, they shall obtain all kinds of fine and wonderful garments that accord with their tastes, as well as a variety of precious adornments, flower garlands, fragrant balms, and the enjoyments of music, and various kinds of talents, so that all their heart's delights will be fulfilled. Manjushri, these are the 12 sublime and wonderful vows that the world-honored one, Medicine Master Vaidyurya Light Tathagata, one of proper and equal enlightenment, made while cultivating the Bodhisattva way. Moreover, Manjushri, if I were to speak for an eon or more about the great vows made by the world-honored one, Medicine Master Vaidyurya Light Tathagata, when he practiced the Bodhisattva way, and about the merit, virtue, and adornments of his Buddha land, I could not finish. That Buddha land has always been completely pure. There are no women, no evil destinies, and no sounds of suffering. The ground is made of Vaidurya, with golden cords lining the roads. The city walls, towers, palace pavilions, studios, windows, and latticework are all made of the 7 treasures. The merit, virtue, the merit, virtue, and adornments of this land are identical to those of the western land of ultimate bliss. Residing in that land are 2 bodhisattvas, mahasattvas. The first is called universally radiant sunlight, and the second, universally radiant moonlight. They are the leaders among the immeasurable, uncountable hosts of bodhisattvas in that land, and will be the successors to that Buddha. They are able to maintain the precious treasury of the proper Dharma of the world-honored one, Medicine Master Vaidyurya Light Tathagata. Therefore, Manjushri, all good men and women who have faith should vow to be born in that Buddha's land. At that time, the world-honored one again spoke to the pure youth Manjushri, saying, Manjushri, there are living beings who don't distinguish good from evil, who indulge in greed and stinginess, and who know nothing of giving or its rewards. They are stupid, ignorant, and lack the foundation of faith. They accumulate much wealth and many treasures and ardently guard them.